everyone, my name is Prim and today I will show you the demo of CS50, Harvard University course of the web programming on Wikipedia. So first I will show you about the entry page. The entry page meaning that you can search with Wiki and then you slash the title that you want to know. So like CSS, and the title will pop up because this is the title of the encyclopedia entry. And then you can also search in anything you like for example Python, then this thing will pop up. But if you want to search on something that does not exist, it will occur an error like, okay, Python A page does not exist, page is not found. And the next thing I will show you is the index page. The index page functions meaning that if you click on any of them in the title page, it will go and redirect into the page that contains its contents. So if you can go to CSS and you're going to go to Git like this, and you can go to Python here. Okay, let's go back to home. And next on, we will show you the search. Search meaning that you can search anything and then it will redirect to the page. So if you search CSS and then CSS page will pops up and comes up here. But if you search something that is the substring of the title, or you want to search Python but you always type YTHO, and it will say, okay, do you want to know about Python? And if yes, you can click here to the Python and then it will redirect you to the page. And this is all about search. Next up, you can create a new page. So you can click here and then enter the title if you want to say Prim, and then you can say Prim, and then you can say put it in, let's say Markdown, and then Prim, and then hi, for example. And then you can click here and then go save for a button, and you can say Prim and then say hi. And this is their new page. But for example, if you want to create a new page that already existed, like CSS, for example, and you say CSS, this is CSS, and if this occurs and you can save, it will occur an error because CSS page already existed. In this case, we will go to the next function called edit page. The edit page meaning that you can click here and you can click the button called edit, and then you can edit here. So CSS is already existed, but you want to add something like CSS is very nice, and then you click here and then you want to save, you can click save. So okay, CSS is very nice, CSS is the language, and then you can go here to home and then it's already saved, like CSS is really nice. Next, we can click on the next feature called random page. Random page meaning that when you click here, it will give you a random page come up, like Git for example. Then you can random a next page is CSS, and this occurs. And then next function is Markdown to HTML conversion. In my code, I install the Markdown 2, which runs everything on the back on my code that change the Markdown into HTML before displaying it to the user, which you can find it into my GitHub. Thank you. Bye bye.